The first step, salutation with normal breathing, paying gratitude to the external sun and invoking the inner energy within us. The second step, raised arms pose. As you inhale, bend back. Stretch your armpit and stretch your core. Third step, as you breathe out, reach your hands on the knees, pulling your stomach in, completely exhaling. Try to reach your head on the knees. The fourth step, as you inhale, take your left leg back, the right leg in front, the thigh under the armpit. Feel the stretch in your groin. As you breathe out, take your other leg behind, get a nice arch in your back, and slowly raise your knees up and straighten your legs. Maintain the arch in your back and feel the tightness in your core. Gently place your knees down, holding your breath. Reach your chest and chin. Seventh step, slowly slide yourself forward, inhaling. Straighten your arms. Try to feel the stretch in your core, shoulders, chest. As you exhale, come back to the mountain posture. Try to press your heels down, pull your stomach in. Feel the stretch in your armpit. Feel the stretch in your legs back. Place your knees down again. Feel the arch in your spine and gently bring your leg forward, the left leg. Inhaling. While exhaling, bring the other leg also forward, placing your hands beside your feet. Feel the crunch in your stomach. Or make it more simpler by straightening your back or hands on the knees. Inhaling the next step, the 11th step. Raise your arms up in salutation. Start bending back. Feel the stretch in your core. Keep your arms as stretched as possible. Exhaling,